Okay, greetings, y'all. Renegade Biker 24 again. And what you're looking at here is my K1 Max. Now, I haven't really had that much problems with it, but I wanted to kind of go over a few things with y'all. As you can see, this is the adapter card. Looks just like the K1C, but I'm going to show you something here. Right here, I don't know if this will show it, but a difference between that is, I don't know if you can see that, and I'll try to focus in on it. Right there. See that little, well, it looks like a connection there? That's what I was trying to plug it in, even though the plug is right there for the AI LiDAR, which the AI LiDAR is right here. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but right there is an issue. Now, Creality is going to be sending me a new AI LiDAR, which is this. And this is what I'm going to get. And this is a Creality, it's a CN1 GA3301WZ. So that is the issue on this one. And I think I've changed out the extruder, which is right here. So I'm gonna zoom out so you all can see that. So right there, that's what I have now. I've also changed out the tubing. As you can tell here, I will leave a link to that in the description box in this video to where you can take a look at that. But when it comes to plugging this in, as you can tell here, this is the print head. Now on this side, this is not where the LiDAR goes, but on this side, this is where it goes, but then you have to put the LiDAR in first and then put this over that. So I will go over that when I get my new thing here, but that is what I have right now insofar as that is concerned on my K1 Max. And like I said, my K1 Max is doing pretty good. It, aside from this issue right here, which you can see how that wire just came out. Now I could just take out probably take out that little connection there, but the issue that I have is having to take it out and then having to try and put this back in, and hopefully I don't get an error. But that is what I have right now. So far as the two 3D printers of the Creality K1C and the K1 Max, it is on hold for right now, but I will show you some photos, or actually some video of when it was working, and what I am planning on doing with this one is making the G.I. Joe vehicles and make them to where they will fit 6-inch figures and that they will be remote controlled. But as you can tell here, this is what I am experiencing right now. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of go over this with y'all so you all can see what I've been doing. Like I said, I'm sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos, but I have been busy with work. This week I have off from my housekeeping job, so I'm just gonna go over this and hopefully I can get up and running with these 3D printers. Now, another thing I wanted to discuss with y'all is this. This is the Creality Ultra Smooth PTFE tube. So I got this, and this is a pretty good thing here. Hopefully it won't provide me with a lot of problems like I have had in the past. But we will see. But that is one of their newest ones that they call low friction. So as you can tell here, I'm looking forward to getting all this stuff. Now, when I get a new AI LiDAR, this, which goes over that, so that is what the AI LiDAR is for. So once I get that up and running, I will have that going, and hopefully as I'm doing these, I will be doing more videos about my G.I. Joes, which I do have a whole bunch of them that I have left to review for the past 4 or 5 months now. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show y'all. But anyway, it's Renegade Biker 24, and I will talk to you in my next video.